going on, guys? Good morning. Good Friday. How's it going? No. Watching my own videos on accident is actually the worst thing in the world. What's up, Hapito? How you guys doing? Zach Hirschman, what's up, dude? How's it going, my man? Hit this in the Discord real quick. Let people know. You guys got big plans for Friday? Hope your plan is to put in the work. What is your one thing that you're doing right now that will affect today, that will affect tomorrow, that will affect next week, next month, next year, to get you where you need to go? That's the question of the stream title. Going to the gym soon? Coding. It's kind of vague. Should probably iron that out. You're going to the gym soon? You're riding the bus, so that affects today. No, but what is your one thing that you could be doing while you're riding the bus? I mean, I guess you're watching me, but... That's how I structure my day now. I ask myself that question over and over and over. What is your one thing that you could be doing right now? Try not to fail algebra. Yeah, you probably need... Algebra is probably the only math that you really need. Dude, what's up? Looking at Behance for inspiration. Go check out some Dribble. Dribble's pretty good too, Tyrone. Dribble with 3 B's. Let me start my 35-minute timer. Aaron Good, my dude. You are one word away from being Aaron on Ghost Adventures. Aaron Goodwin, but you're just Aaron Good. Celebrating Heritage Day. Sounds like you need to just do something else. Got that bookmarked. You got awards with the triple W also. I don't know, 3 letters seems to be the thing. Seems to be the meme. Can't believe we're almost at 27,000. That's crazy. I need to put out more videos, more content. What are we doing? We're just hanging out for a little bit before I go to the gym. Gotta make a video. About to make a video. Data science project about Instagram. Sounds pretty sweet. Read JavaScript cookbooks. Don't just read. Be sure to interact. Break stuff while you do it. It was 25K a few weeks ago. I mean, it seems like that to you guys, right? But I'm like back here doing all the work behind the scenes, what you guys don't see. Everyone's like, wow, it's just yesterday. You know, it's like every day I sit at my computer editing videos for like 4, 5, 6 hours. And then I mess up my edit, like yesterday in the video. I forgot to put music on the drone shot because I accidentally muted that line, and then I was just like, I spent 8 hours on this. That happens more than I'd like to admit. And then I'm like, check out my links, and then I realize my links don't work, and I'm like, now I gotta go do that. You know what I'm thinking? Like, I have this little wireless charger. I don't know if you can see it. Over here. Here. I have this little wireless charger for my phone. And I'm like, you know, how does that work? Like, how do all the electrons go from that thing to my phone? And then how do I not get cancer from that? Because I'm sure there's some that are, like, miss going into the phone, you know? So if I just set it on here, it charges. How does it capture all of the magnetics? I don't know. It makes me afraid to use a wireless charger, even though it's cool. What are you guys up to? What's your one thing? I'm really close to the camera. Is this stream about the book called The One Thing? It's where I got the inspiration. I'm currently reading that book. I'm almost done with it, but it's a pretty good book. That's how I've started. I got, as you know, I got my thing here. where I write down everything and then I try to circle what's my one thing I could be doing right now, and that is doing a live stream before going to the gym, before coming back, and working on other stuff. So, developing a Flutter app for a client. Nice. I need to fix my stuff on the screen. You guys got weekend plans? I think a lot of people think I'm against fun. I think I'm just against not doing what you know you're supposed to be doing. One person said that on Instagram. It seems like you're against fun and all you do is work. I'm like, you're right. But I'm not against fun. Developing a flight booking system and reporting system. Always stressed. Nah. Nicholas J, hello, how's it going? Welcome aboard. Why don't you go on a holiday? Because I don't have a holiday to go on, and I have 2 dogs and a mortgage. Where am I going to go? Because I don't really need a holiday. Like, this is what I like doing. He's sleeping somewhere. Did I watch Elon Musk's recent announcement video? I saw it last night before I went to sleep, but I didn't watch it. Landon, hello. What's up, dude? Welcome aboard. I need to work on my thumbnail game. Yeah, good. Stop by to say hello. Aren, thanks, dude. Watching video games like a nerd. Dude, you gotta do something productive. If you're bored, you're not doing something right. If you're bored, you're ignoring the things. Where do I see myself 2 years from now? On a house in the mountains that's 11,000 square feet with a Maserati, a nice yellow motorcycle, a paraglider, making videos, probably see me on TV. I don't know. How do I see myself? With a bank account, lots of money, like... I don't see myself working in a cubicle. I never see myself. Surf in the morning, work on a Facebook, Instagram, Google Analytics script. Sounds like you got priorities. You gotta take that recreational time, which I've been lacking to do, but I have so much to do. It can wait. Do I invest in ETFs? Nah. I invested in Amazon when it was $800. Now it's like $2,000. Feels bad, man, because I sold. But I don't know. I still have my crypto. I didn't sell any of my crypto. So if we look at the market today, we're all in the green. But you know, who knows how that goes. This happened last year, same time. Everything started going up. Ethereum's up to 228. I bought a couple of Ethereum at $150 each. That was cool. I have like 10 Ethereum right now. So if they could just all go to 150 or 15,000, that'd be all right with me. You're learning how to play video games better. It doesn't sound like a worthwhile investment. In terms of return. What time is it? 7:30 in the morning. How is XRP up 52%? What? Are you interested in blockchain development? I work with some people called Archain. How many portfolio projects needed to get developer job? Depends on how the portfolio projects are structured. You could make one project into 3 separate things. You could do wireframes, you could do design, you could do front end, back end, hosting, DevOps. How far do you want to break it down? But I would say 3 is good. 3 different ideas. Hoping to find remote work. Dude, it's possible. Wayne's, what's up, man? I'm alright. Hey, Jasho, wow. Which is more hot in the web market, web development or machine learning? Well, Mujahidat Mahamud, I would probably say they have different applications and they're both really hot. You got 3 just finishing up touches and starting my job search. Well, I mean, you could start the job search and then do your finishing touches, because it's going to take some time for them to even look at your paperwork. So I wouldn't think too much about that. Don't let perfection get in the way of productivity. Just woke up after a bad hangover. Doesn't sound like a fun night. I'm definitely not going out tonight, as I never do on Fridays. Let's go to the bar. Like everyone at about 3:30. You want it to be perfect. Okay, well, perfection is a subjective idea in your head, and a job is a tangible thing you can actually get. So I would probably just apply. You're excited about long weekend. You should be excited about working on stuff so that you can have an unlimited weekend. What programming languages are needed to get a job? Depends on the job. Let's say front end, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, maybe machine learning, probably Python, C++, Scala, maybe R. I don't know. You want to learn React. All right, go learn React. Stop watching the stream. Go learn React. Boom, done. Let's get some ideas going. What video should I make later today? Drop an idea. If I haven't done it, I'll do it. Do I recommend any books that are a good read? Oh, dude, I have so many books on my website. They're not linked to anywhere, so you have to Google them after that. But I have them. grindreel/books. Go there. I have my list of all my books. So, I mean, they're not linked anywhere. So if you look more personal development, I have that, and then I have ones for code. I would definitely read Unscripted. I'm working on the styling. Oh, that button does not look good. Ooh, I need to fix that. Ouch. No bueno. A stream where I edit videos? No. Yeah, see, it's still got like lorem ipsum text, dude. I have so much stuff. Record one day of my life. It's going to vary. Like today, for example, will probably be boring because I'm going to be doing Google Analytics. Maybe setting up Facebook ads. For awareness, not to sell stuff. How did you start programming? I went to a code boot camp because I wanted to work remote because I hated my other job. Need to head to class. Have a good day. Landon, have a good day, dude. Have any of my interview videos turned into job offers? No, because I don't want a job offer and I don't really want to work for the companies that I'm interviewing. Live stream coding. Dylan, I do that sometimes. I did that with Python. I'll probably do it again tomorrow. The problem with live stream coding is that there are a lot of backseat coders that think they know the solution. They're like, just do this thing. And then they think that you're dumb when you don't know that. And so you get like, it's just weird. Lots of backseat coders. I mean, I still do it. It doesn't bother me. Like, one time I was like, all right, someone just put this is what happened. We were streaming code, and I was like, all right, some guy, just give me the answer. And so, like, everyone was just pasting their answer, and I copied the code and I pasted it over to like the thing to get the solution, and their code was broken. I was like, don't you guys tell me what to do. You guys don't even know what you're doing. Going to a Python convention. How can you get the most out of it? What do you want out of it? Do you want to get a job? Are you just looking to grow your Python skill set? I mean, I would just walk up to all the different companies and be like, hey, what do you do? What do you use Python for? How to get started, to get first job. I mean, maybe go to free code camp, go to a code boot camp, go to Code Academy, code school. Lil Ivan, sup, dude? How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys are having a great morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you're at in the world. Keeping it real. Really thinking about doing this YouTube thing full time. It's gonna be good. Oh, if you're new here, you didn't watch my video yesterday. I would like you to go give me your feedback on this. What are you drinking? This is some water mixed with pre-workout because I'm going to go to the gym in approximately 20 minutes and 26 seconds. Went to the first career fair Wednesday. Took some tips. A lot of people looking for C#. You have none. Need to get projects going for that. Try out maybe Unity. That would be good. Unity seems to do real well for C#. That's actually what got me the job. And then you can have fun like building games, and then you can put like a downloadable game on your portfolio, and then you can be like, hey, go download this on your phone, and then it works. And they're like, wow, he built a game. That's a good way to get C#. That's what I did. Literally, that's what I did. I posted GIFs of the little games that I made, which were so stupid. Just like roll the ball and dodge the stuff. And they were like, can I play it? And I was like, yeah, go to this link. Is there a stat on the most common languages in demand? Jose, right now it's JavaScript is leading the pack. Python's underneath that. You like the website? Yeah, so you guys should probably get a pop-up. I'm working on it. I'm making a newsletter. I have a whole bunch of free PDFs if you sign up for the newsletter. But I need some opinions on as far as like content, if there's any major bugs. I know there's like a spelling error that I have to fix. Is the stream available later? Yeah. You even put a QR code? Nice, dude. That's pretty sick. How many hours do you spend at the gym? I usually don't. Usually I spend about 45 minutes, 50 minutes. It's not about time spent. It's about effort put in. Same thing with work or anything you do in life. You know, not all tasks are created equal. As we can learn in the one thing book that I've been reading, not all tasks are created equal. There's one thing that you do that's responsible for 90% of your daily, results. Like for me, for example, creating one YouTube video every day is responsible for me 90% of my YouTube growth. So that's like my one thing. And so it's about the effort you put into one thing. So it's, staying focused between reps and sets, not looking at my phone and getting distracted and responding to messages. Just, staying focused and there to work out, not text my friends. Website's really good. Hey, thanks, man. I'm working on it. I got a lot of stuff I need to improve. The subscribe says off your my. Exactly. Yeah, I know there's a typo. I need to work on it. Hold on. I will change it right now. Actually made the stream this morning. Nice. What's good, dude? So today I accidentally was overpaid by my job. They added an extra 0, and you can imagine the thoughts. What would you guys do? Fix this. They sent me like you would give it back to keep your job. So the thing is, the job isn't the main job. It's like a side job. So it's a side job somewhere far away. What, $100? No. Make sure the number was right, then invest it. Like there's legally nothing they could do if I didn't give it back, you know? There's a part of me that was just like, just take it and run. And then the other part of me is like, no. It's a core part of your income. Don't burn a bridge. Yeah, so you guys are terrible. I mean, I could make it back. It would just take time. No, it wasn't that much. They sent me like 20,000, like already deposited, done deal. And like it wasn't supposed to be 20,000. And I was like, okay. So someone's either going to lose their job and I keep this money and pay off my car, or I give it back and save someone's job. So I gave it back. Tomorrow isn't promised. Yeah, but doing the right thing, dude. I don't want to be known for that. It's terrible. But I never woke up so fast in my life. I saw an email this morning. You have been paid 20,000. I was like, wait, what? Wait, hold on. Actually, the first thing I thought of, I was like, I could pay my parents rent for this. I could pay my parents rent for a whole year, and they could work and do things that they want rather than worrying about bills. That's what I first thought. I was like, I could just let them live for a year rent free with that money. And then I started to think, I could pay off my car, and then I need less money every month, and I'm just like, you know what? This dude's gonna lose his job. So I just give it back. Not sure if I'm a believer in the karma, but I'm a believer in not burning bridges. I was getting ready, I start thinking about how I wanna bargain, All right, well, you messed it up, so I'm going to keep 50% of this, and you get the other 50. Sorry about that, but there's really nothing you can do. It's already been deposited. I was just getting ready to be like, all right, well, you take 10% back. I'm going to keep 90, so that's your fault, not mine. Obviously, I probably wouldn't work there anymore. Like, you just start coming up with all these ideas. I'm like, I could pay my parents rent for a year. I could pay my car. I could, pay off my phone. This guy's gonna get freaking fired. How do you overcome procrastination? Good time to negotiate a raise. Now, so that's the thing, right? There's really nothing that I can do with that money that would change my life significantly enough for me to really want it. And I didn't earn it. It's like you give a man $1 million. Aubrey was here. I told him this. You give a man $1 million. It doesn't make him a millionaire. He didn't earn it. He wouldn't know what to do with it. What would I do? Pay off my car. Okay, next. That doesn't significantly change my life enough for it to matter to me, and I didn't earn it. So give it back. But man, hitting that refund button was the hardest click I've had to do in the last 5 years. Good moral compass. Now, when I first saw that, this is my moral compass was this way. I could feel it. I was like, here, it just starts to go. Moral compass going that way, and I'm like, that does look pretty good. Where are we going? But you gotta do the right thing. It'll come back. Maybe. Maybe not. Look, where's my phone? Enjoying the videos. Had a disagreement once. Still loving. Oh, Beta, I remember that. I think we were just talking about one thing, but yeah. It's no big deal. Alright, look. This is what they accidentally sent. Opposite of procrastination is planning time management. Just gotta step outside. Yeah, you just gotta do it. Yeah, but I had to give it back. That wasn't a made-up story. When am I going to do a meetup in Salt Lake? I don't know if enough people are in Salt Lake for it to matter. It'd be like 5 people. It would just be 5 people hanging out if you want. Come to LA. I don't think you can breathe in LA. You'd fly out of Ohio for a meetup? Are you staying full time? No. Good morning. Yeah, so today I'm probably gonna see if we can do the whole YouTube full time. So I appreciate your love and support during this time of structuring finances to try and do what's fulfilling. We'll see. I'm gonna if I quit this, then you'll probably see me shill a lot more stuff, and so you guys just have to be okay with that. So, you gotta. I mean, it is what it is, right? Did I have a work visa to work in the U.S. when I moved back? I'm from the U.S., so I have a U.S. passport. Time to start the day, dude. All right, go kill it. Got 8 minutes left, and I gotta go lift weights. I'll probably make a video on it. The shilling is gross, but I'll click ads for you. It's not like the stuff that I sell, like my resumes and covers. Like, they're not bad. I sent someone a couple free ones because he found the typos, and I was like, find another typo, and I'll send you more. And he basically found, he's like, holy shit, this is good writing. I was like, I know, dude. I always get responses. What do you do full time? I program C Sharp, ASP.NET stuff, but I'm not passionate about that. I'm passionate about creating YouTube. Am I planning on picking up side projects and freelance work? No, I'm just planning on making a lot more content. Better work opportunities from major city tech hub. It depends on what you want. What about stuff like Amazon links? Amazon links, you only make 4% of the purchase. It's not, I don't really have anything on Amazon. Best time to work out, first thing in the morning or night. Depends on the type of person you are. Some people like to do it after work to de-stress. Some people like to do it in the morning to get ready for the day. What future content can we expect? Tutorials, advice, similar content to what you have now. Maybe just more content in general. 6 minutes, 25 seconds left. Then we gotta bounce, as much as it pains me. My friend said, just put it in your savings, and then when they ask for it back, just tell them, oh, I thought it was a bonus. How you get extra 18K as a bonus? I should get in touch with Simple Programmer like John Sonmez. He made 400K on Pluralsight courses. Yeah, I don't know. I would. How much of my family asks for free stuff? They don't really ask for free stuff. I paid my parents rent for 2 months. I always help them with something. They're just getting back on their feet, you know. So it's risky to do this and then still have to support my parents in some way. But you gotta do what's fulfilling. All right, I rather do what Gary Vee says. Take an L up front, make minimum to live, break even, live in a box. Like I have a house already, but like I'll probably move out of this and rent it out to someone. You know, make 40K a year, 50K a year, but doing something that I like, that I can build on and scale up. Because you can't scale a salary. You can only move up to get a 3% raise or something, right? But I mean, that's not what it's about. It's about doing what I like and helping people. And then having the freedom to structure my day. You earn on everything they buy within 24 hours. I don't actually know. I don't know how long the Amazon thing lasts. I just know if they click on one of my links, it goes to their account or something. But I only get like 4%. It's like Linus Tech Tips. He makes like 60K a day in like affiliate links. Just Amazon affiliate. No ad revenue, nothing. Just a day. What? To make $1 million a day, you need $2,746 or something like that. When the skill pack coming out, I have to make them. So, working on it. Have a lot of stuff to do on my list first for the website before I even, I got to fix my website first. Like, there's a typo in my pop-up, right? So, I should fix that stuff before I try to sell more stuff. The real interviews videos are good. Yeah, they're good, right? But then people start Googling my name, and they're like, this guy doesn't even want a job because he's doing this YouTube thing full time. Like, he's wasting our time. Why would we engage with him? Unless I call them up front, and I'm like, hey, look, I want to record what an interview is like with your company. Would you like some quality applicants? I have a job interview or something like that, right? Thanks for doing what you do. Anthony Reed, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Amazon affiliate gives you 10% of ad revenue from your channel. I don't know if that works. Yeah, I just don't have a lot of stuff on Amazon that I really promote. Like, it'd be cool to do the whole MKBHD thing. Yeah, when you click on skill packs, it says skill kits on the website. Yeah, I know. Stuff like that. Did you work out while attending boot camp? Did you think it's easier? So I went to a part-time boot camp, so I worked out every day regardless. Did I ever screw something up and no one ever found out it was me? No, I'm not that type of person that tries to like push stuff under the rug. Like you give the money back, Like, that's not me. I take responsibility for what I mess up. It works a lot better in the long run if you're just Don't lie about it. Don't try to cover up. You just accept it. Be like, look, man, I messed up. I'm sorry. Really, it's my fault. I won't do it again. Let's figure out how to make this work. Like, that always goes better. What boot camp did? I went to Dev Mountain, but it's not the same Dev Mountain. It was bought out by Kaplan Education. How large of an audience are you trying to grow? I have 100K. Actually, today I wrote down as my goal 400K because I write down egregious goals. 100K into the year. That is the goal. Will it happen? The numbers aren't in agreement. But who knows? YouTube is, who knows? I'll still learn code and teach code and do code because I still do that anyways. Even when I'm not doing YouTube, I teach people how to code every day. I have a meeting with someone teaching them how to code. Keep up the good morals. I don't think good morals are how you get rich, but that's okay. I just want to do something that I like and buy my parents a house that they can live in. One viral video. The problem is knowing which video is going to be the viral video. Every time I make a video, I'm like, this is the one. 4 views. Jarvis makes a whole bunch of videos, and Jarvis also knows Mayuko. They work together in the same building. They know, John Ma, Yoma Tech, I guess. They know each other, Engineered Truth. They're all in this little circle, right? It's easy when you have someone else with 100,000 subscribers promoting you. Who's promoting me? No one but myself. Please talk to me when you start from the ground up, not when you have a friggin' advantage. Does it sound like I'm a little salty? I am, because he's not a good example of what it's like to start YouTube from nothing. Do I know Chris Sean? Yeah, we talk pretty daily. Well, maybe not every day, but every other day, a few times a week. I have 7 seconds left, and then we'll bounce. But I'll just bump it. I'll just go at 8 a.m. It's fine. See? There it goes. You can hear it. Why is there a glass cup with ice in the corner of the screen? So if someone donates to the channel, it drops in that little glass cup there. You can see it. It's the tip jar. But I haven't gotten any tips in a very long time. Armand gave me $2 a week ago. I don't really promote for tips. I just want to answer questions and help people. Hang out with you guys, engage. Give a man. All right, let's do a donation stream. All right, whoever gives me $10, I will end. I won't even say thank you. If you give me $10, I'm going to end the stream right now. Travis C. Media started from the ground up. He has 500K. Yeah, he has 500K. Yeah, he started from the ground up, but he's been doing it for years. And he also has a few videos with 1 million views. I don't have that. I don't know how to do that. Let's look. He gets a few thousand subs a day, dude. It's crazy. Oh, Aaron. Thanks, dude. Thanks for your Uno Dollaro. Can't donate. Feature's not available. It's all good, dude. Don't worry about it. Racks on racks. Hey, Aaron is dropping. He's swinging those big D's. See, that's the tip jar. Where in the U.S. would you say is a place to pull max profit? Probably Nebraska. Middle of nowhere. Wyoming, maybe. All right. Here we go. Drake music. Appreciate you. I'm out. Goodbye, guys. Why don't I just... I'm sorry. Thank you, everybody, but I made the promise, so I have to go. I'm sorry.